of a triangle. So we want to do perimeter. Hii ni vitu tunajua, si ndio? Perimeter tunajua is the distance all round. Distance all round of an object. Distance all round. Ukizunguka hiyo building, ukizunguka mahali, that's the perimeter of that place. So for example, first of all, we will start with let's start with a rectangle. Rectangle. So rectangle inakaa hivyo, si ndio? Side moja ni long, si ndio? We have the length, is the length, we have the width. So the distance all round, tunaanzia hapa. Let me see if niko sawa. Nice. So distance all round meaning tutatoka hapa, twende hadi hapa, twende mpaka hapa, twende mpaka hapa, turudi hapa. So itakuwa L, if that L is L, this is L, this is W. So itakuwa L plus L. So tunatoka hapa twende mpaka hapa. L plus W plus L plus W. Si ndio? Tuko sawa nani? Angalia hapa. L plus W plus L plus W. So we collect the like terms. L na L zinafanana, W na W zinafanana. We collect the like terms, itakuwa L plus L plus W plus W. Si ndio? So it's 2L plus 2 width. Si ndio? Yeah. So you can say 2 into brackets length plus width. So that's the short formula of finding the perimeter of a rectangle. 2 into brackets length plus width. So for example, tutakuwa tunafanya ma example hapa ndio watu tupatane kwa urahisi, si ndio? So wakwambie find the perimeter of this, we have find the perimeter of that. Let's say that is 10 and we have 6, you know. You know the longer side is length and then width. So tumesema you quote the formula 2 into brackets length plus width. Quote the formula, that's the first thing you'll do. Then unajua length ni hii, width ni hii. Substitute into the formula. So it's 2 into 10 plus 6, you know. 10 plus 6 is 16 times 2, si ndio? Brackets ni ina mean multiplication, si ndio? So 16 times 2 is 16 times 2 32. So your answer is 32. So I've forgotten something very, very important. Units. So for example, this one was 10 meters and 6 meters. Sawa. Unaleta na hiyo formula yako hapa, haki tusisahau formula, sawa? Tusisahau units. So hapa itakuwa, in our case, itakuwa 32 meters. 32 meters. Sawa. So that's the simple formula of finding the perimeter of a rectangle. Perimeter of a rectangle. Okay, let's go to the next object. B. We have a square. Perimeter of a square. Square, all sides are equal. All sides are equal. All sides are equal. S. So we are going round from here. S. Sindio? S plus S plus S plus S. Sindio? Side. 4 sides. Ziko na 4 sides. S plus s plus s plus s. Sawa sawa? So hapo itakuwa 4s, ndio? 4 sides, ndio? 4s. So in our case, let's put an example. So let's do an example. For instance, we have a square here. Yeah, how many meters? Let's say 5 meters. So it's 5 meters. Wanaweza kupea tu side moja. Sasa kama ni square, wakikupea side moja, si hii side na hii side zinatoshana. Square, all sides are equal. So if it's for 5 meters, you just say 4 times. You'll quote the formula first. 4 sides, sindo? Sides, yani is equals to, you say, perimeter is equals to 4 sides, sindo? Then you say 4 times 5 meters. Itakuwa 20 meters. So your perimeter is 20 meters. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. Inakuwa 20 meters. Sio? Answer. Perimeter si ngumu, sio? Perimeter si ngumu. Okay. Oh, let's do another circle. Finding the perimeter of a circle. So going round a circle. Perimeter of. So it's C, a circle. Let's see how you can go around a circle. From that point ikuje mpaka urudi pale pale. So in circles tunaita, it's called finding the circumference. The circumference of a circle. Yani uende round ya circle na urudi penye ulikuwa. Okay? We call it finding the circumference. Siandiki hiyo, sitaki mnichekele. Finding the circumference. Okay, finding the circumference. So circumference is equals to pi d or 2 pi r. Sawa sawa. Hiyo ni formula ya finding the circumference over circle. Circumference of a circle. Finding the circumference of a circle. Circumference, tumesema circumference is just a perimeter. Is the perimeter of a circle. It's called circumference. Wacha tuniandike hapa. It's called the circumference. Kitu kama hiyo. So, perimeter of a circle is called the circumference of that circle. So, formula ni pi d. Pi d. Tunajua d ni nini queen? Pi d. D ni? D is diameter. Diameter. So, it's pi d. But when we say it's 2 pi r, yeah? R ni radius. So, E ni d, pi d ni d, E ni r, which is the radius. Radius. So, it's 2, yani radius times 2 ina make a diameter. Radius times 2 makes a diameter. That's why we say it's pi d or 2 pi r. Yani r ikuja mara mbili imeka a d. Sawa sawa? Yes. So for example, we have a circle with us. Hii ni circle kweli. A circle So we have a circle with a radius of circle with a radius of, let's say, 14. Radius ni 14 meters. So R is equals to 14. So in this case, kama R ni radius, to find the diameter utafanyaje? So CD is equals to 2R, sindio? So it's 2 times 14. Kumaanisha diameter ni 28. Sawa. D is 28. So we can use either of the formula. Circumference is equals to pi d. You quote the formula first. Circumference is equals to pi d. Then you come and say pi is equals to 22/7. Sindio? Ama unaweza fanya pia kwa calculator pi. But pi mostly is 20. Let's use 22/7 times d, which is d yetu ni 28. So 7 into 4. Sindio? 28, first of all, it's 28 meters. So 7 goes here, 1, 7, 4 times. So it's 22 times 4, which is equals to 88 meters. So that's the circumference using the pi d. Let us use circumference is equals to 2 pi r. Tuone kama tutapata the same answer, 2 pi r. So it's equals to 2 times 22/7 times r is 14. So here we go, 2. So 2 times 22 is 44. 44 times 2 is 88 meters. So circumference of a circle, or the perimeter of a circle, which is the circumference of a circle, is pi d, or 2 pi r. Sawa. So tuendelee. Tumefika kwa circle. Let's see. D. Finding the perimeter of a trapezium. Finding the perimeter of a trapezium. Trapezium inakaaje? Iko na kitu kama ki square, alafu iko na ka triangle. Sawa. So this one is the height and length. So that's an example of a trapezium. Iko na kitu kama hiyo. So finding the perimeter of a trapezium. Hey, tulisema perimeter is the distance all round. So utatoka hapa, uende hapo, urudi baka hapo. So if this is A, utasema A plus B plus C plus D. Sawa. You can't do the H. So it's A plus B plus C plus D. That's just it. So the difficult part of a trapezium, you can be given the height. Yeah? You can be given the height and you are not given here. So hapo ndio penye kitu inaingilia yenye inaitwa Pythagoras theorem. Ufind hapa na ufind hapa. But if you are given, you just add. Tutafika tu hapo, tusijali, sio? If that is the trapezium, umepewa hii side 10, 6. Hapa zikuwa 6. Hapa ikwe 7, hapa ikwe hiyo 6, hapa ikwe 5, sio? So you just add 10 plus 7 plus 10 plus 7 plus 6 plus 5, sio? So meters. Sitakuwa 10 plus 7 17. Wacha tutumie calculator leo, sio? Let's use a calculator. Aki hope naonekana vizuri. Hey yo. Kiasi. Yeah. I noticed that my camera was not that clear, so I went for a break. So we were saying, oh my goodness. Kabla kutumia calculator. Okay. Hi. Mama yangu. Okay, calculator imekata. So tumesema ni 10. Yo. Calculator imekata. Okay. 10 plus 7 plus. Sasa tufanyaje hesabu bila calculator? Plus 7 au plus 7 plus 6 plus 5. Nimekaa bila kufanya hesabu. 28 equals to 28 meters. So distance all round. So you just add distance all round. 10 plus 7 plus 6 plus 5 meters. Sawa sawa. So itakuwa 28 meters. That is a trapezium. So we go to the next. So hapa hatujaweka hii formula in that to be trapezium. Trapezium, it's A plus B plus C plus D. Sawa. Okay, tuendelee ama tusiendelee? Bibi. Tuendelee ama tusiendelee? So A, B, C, D, E. Tuko na kitu inaitwa parallelogram. 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 Hii ni yenye two sides that parallel to each other. Hii iko parallel to that. Let's do this. Hii iko parallel moja, hii iko mbili. This side is parallel to this side. This side is parallel to this side. So we can call this side X. If this side is X, this side is X. If this side is Y, this side is Y. So we are going around a parallelogram. From here, X plus Y plus X plus Y. Parallelogram it's like a triangle yenye imetwist kiasi. So nisiseme is a triangle yenye imetwist kiasi mtu aseme hivyo. Parallelogram is two sides. It has two sides which are parallel to each other. Sindio? Each side ni parallel to this. This side is parallel to that. So, ukileta hii, collect the like terms, itakuwa 2x plus, mtu atasema imepatikana aje 2x. X plus y plus y. Sawa. Ndio ikue 2x plus 2y. So, the perimeter of a parallelogram is 2x plus 2y. 2x plus 2y. Let's have an example of this parallelogram. This side is parallel to this side. This side is parallel to that side. So, sema hapa ni 10, then meters. Let's do now centimeters. 10 centimeter plus, let's say 6 centimeters. So you quote the formula. P is equals to 2. We did not factorize further. Hii tunaweza ita 2 into brackets x plus y. Hey. So all of these are correct. So 2 into brackets x plus y. So in this case itakuwa 2 into 10 centimeter plus 6 centimeter. Si ndio? So answer yako itakuwa ngapi? 10 plus 6 times 2. Ika ubao kangu nikadonye, si ndio? Nifanye tafute kakubwa sasa. Inafika mali nafuta sana. So 10 plus 6 ni 2 in times, no, brackets is multiplication times 10 plus 6 is 16. So it's 2 times 16 inakuwa 32 perimeter. 16 centimeter. Sindio? Ilikuwa 10 centimeter plus 6 centimeters equals to 16 centimeter times 2, 32 centimeter. I hope tunaendelea pamoja. So, tuende kuwa next. We have parallelogram. Tuko na kitu inaitwa rhombus. Inaandikwa hivyo. Rhombus. Ndio. Rhombus, sasa in this case we tilt a square. Square hii imetiltiwa. Yani all sides are parallel. All sides are parallel. Meaning, if this side is A, this side will be A, this side will be A, this side will be A. So, A plus A plus A plus A itakuwa 1, 2, 3, 4, sindio? Itakuwa 4A, sindio? So, for instance, we have this. If this is our parallelogram, if this is our rhombus, if this side is 5, this side will be 5, this side will be 5, 5 centimeter, 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 centimeter. So, our case will be 4 times 5 centimeter, which will become 20 centimeters. So the perimeter of a rhombus is 4A. Yani 4 times A. 5, 5, 5, 5. So it's 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. Okay? Sawa. Tuna highlight hapa. So be careful with those. Hizo ndio formula. Hizo zenye tumezi highlight hizo zote ndio formula. Okay? Rhombus imekuwa E, A, G. Tuende kwa G. Kuna E. Yeah. Ellipse ni kitu kama ka oval yenye. Yeah, kitu kama hiyo. So, hii ndio ellipse, kitu kama ka oval. Sawa? Ellipse. So we have this side. This is the longer side. We call it D. So this one is called the major axis. Then this side is the minor axis. So major axis and the minor axis. Let's call that D. D na D ndogo. Tuweke D ndogo. Diameter of the major axis. Ile refu. Then diameter of the minor axis. So formula pi divide by 2 d plus d. Tunajua hii d imetoka wapi, si ndio? D plus the major axis plus the minor axis, then we divide by 2. Sawa sawa. So in another case we can say hii major axis iko hapa katikati, si ndio? Hii ikifika hapo we call it let's call it A. Alafu hii tuite B. So kwa our perimeter tukitumia radius yake itakuwa pi into bracket A plus B. Hatutaweka divide by 2. Sawa sawa. Ni kama kutumia pi r squared na pi d. Sawa. Ni kama kutumia pi r squared na pi d. Tukitumia radius we don't divide by 2. Tukitumia the diameter we divide by 2. Sawa. Paka hapo. So you can use either of this formula. This is A is the radius with the major axis, within the major axis, the radius of the major axis, and B is the radius of the minor axis. So we say it's pi radius of the major axis plus radius of the minor axis. Or we can use pi divided by 2 into brackets the major axis plus the minor axis. So in this case we can do just one example, like for example, let's have this. Kitu inachora ki oval kingine inafaa ikuwe ki oval. For example, we are given 10 and this is 5. We know the major axis. This is the major axis and this is the minor axis. This is the major axis. This is D, this one is D. The major is, yani major inamaanisha kubwa, si ndio? Sasa hii ni ile diameter kubwa, side yenye ni kubwa. Alafu hii ni diameter side yenye ni ndogo. Sawa? So what in this case wametupea radius. So radius ya hii side yenye ni kubwa ni 10. Radius ya hii side yenye ni ndogo ni 5. Sawa? So let us quote the formula. Tumesema P is equals to, when we are using the radius, it is pi into brackets A plus B. So it's pi into brackets A plus B. So it's equals to pi into 10 plus 5. 10 centimeter plus 5 centimeters. So it's 22/7 times what? 10 plus 5 ni 15 centimeters. So in our case tukitumia hapo calculator nini kapi? 47.14 centimeters. So let us try and use the D. Tutumie diameter. Si ni radius, tutumie diameter. Tuone kama tutapata the same answer. same answer. Tunaweza pata the same answer. So in this case diameter itakuwa ngapi? So the major diameter it will be 10 plus 10, si ndio? Tutamultiply na 2. 10 times 2 itakuwa 20, si ndio? So hapa, so this major diameter will be 20. 10 times 2. Then the minor diameter, in this case it will be 10. 5 plus 5, or 5 times 2 centimeters. So we quote the formula as pi over 2 into brackets d plus d, which is equals to 22 over 7 times a half, si ndio? Yes. We hapana. Ngoja. Divide by, yeah. Hapa ndio penye watu watakosea. Divide by 2, si ndio? Tuendelee tu, plus 20 cm plus 10 cm. Hapo kwa fraction, ukiingiza fraction itakuwa 22 over 7 times a half. Si ndio? Tunafanya reciprocal ya hii tukitaka ku make the division into a multiplication. Then we say 20 plus 10 ni ngapi? 20 plus 10 ni 30, si ndio? 30 cm. So Acha tuone, it's 22 over 7 times a half. It's 11 over, let's do 11 over 7. 11 divided by 7. Si hapa tukicancel hapo inakuwa 11. 11 divided by 7 times 30. Okay. It's 47.14 centimeters. So it's just the same. The formula is the same. The difference is, in this case we are using the diameter. Diameter of the major axis plus diameter of the minor axis. That's why we divide pi divided by 2. Then in this case we use the radius, which is a plus b. So a plus b times pi. Sawa, mpaka hapo I think tuko mbele. Na nimechoka kuongea though, but tunaweza endelea tu. Tumebakisha tu kitu moja simple. Kama hii tumemalizana naye, si ndio? Simple. Ellipse ni ka oval. Tumefika. Ellipse ilikuwa GMH. H ni triangle. Ya mwisho triangle. Unasema? Triangle. So we have 3 types of triangle. Tukianza na ya kwanza, the right angled triangle. Hebu nipozie kiasi. Triangle, right angle triangle. So if hii inakuanga A, B, C. Right angle triangle. So tunatoka hapa, tunaenda hapa, mpaka pale. So area of finding it is obviously A plus B plus C. Hiyo haina formula. A plus B plus C. Utatoka hapa uende hapa uende hapa urudi hapa. A plus B plus C. This is a perimeter of a right angled triangle ingine tuko nayo ni ile yenye iko hivi, si ndio? Two sides are equal, inaitwa isosceles. Triangle. Two sides are equal. So if this is A, this will be A automatically, and this B. So it's B, itakuwa perimeter itakuwa B, tukitoka hapa plus A plus A. We collect the like terms, itakuwa B plus 2A. Sawa sawa. And ya mwisho inaitwa equilateral. All sides are equal. All sides are equal of an equal. So if this is A, that will be A, that will be A. So it's 3. Mtu atashangaa nimetoa wapi 3. A plus A plus A, rudi hapo. So itakuwa 3A. So inategemea ni triangle gani uko nayo. Perimeter of a triangle, of an isosceles triangle, and of a equilateral triangle. Sawa sawa. So I don't think we have an example of that. Can we do one? Choka do. But tufanye hii ya equilateral, ya right angled triangle. Tumesema ya right angle triangle. Wenye iko na hii kitu ndio right angle triangle. Wacha kutumia simu na nafunza. Nitakufukuza kwa hii class. So tuseme for instance this is 5. Inakuanga 3, 4, 5. Si ndio? So perimeter is equals to A plus B plus C. So it's 4 plus 5 plus 3, which is equals to, all sides are in meters. So 4 plus 5, hebu fanya 4 plus 5 kwa hii calculator, unanisumbua na wewe ni mwanafunzi. 4 plus 5 plus 3. Only 3.
Is equals to
12 meters. So that is a right angle triangle. Tukiangalia isosceles triangle, you'll find if this side is 10, this side will be 10. Alafu this side, let's say it's 12. Sindio? So perimeter is equals to B plus 2A. Sindio? B plus 2A. So itakuwa 12 plus 2 times, sindio? 2 times 10. Menipata 2A. Hii ni A na hii ni A. 2 plus 10, yani 2, 10. 2, 10. 2, yani 10 ziko mbili, 2, 10. So itakuwa 12 plus 20, which is equals to 32. Let's say meters, so it will be 32 meters. So for an equilateral in this case, if this side is 10, this will be 10. This one will be 10 meters. So it is, perimeter is equals to 3A. 3A, which is 10 times 10 times 10, which will be 30 meters. Sawa sawa. I hope mpaka hapo tuko mbele, tuko pamoja, tuko ngangari. So we go to the number 2 thing. Okay. Before we go to finding area, before tuende kwa area, there is something about the Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. Mbona nimefuta triangle? Triangle ndio inatuletea hii shida ya Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. Hii ni nini inatuletea shida ya Pythagoras theorem? So there is somebody who was called Pythagoras. Ndiye alikuja na hii theory about a right angled triangle. Yeye ndiye alikuja na hii theory ya pi alikuja na hii theory. Pythagoras, huyu mtu anaitwa Pythagoras, alidiscover that in a right angled triangle but inaweza kuwa tu popote a plus b plus c, a b c. So alidiscover that a squared plus b squared is equals to c squared. Sawa. This one is the Pythagoras theorem. Alidiscover kwa right angled triangle side A plus side B is equals to side C squared. Side A squared plus side B squared is equals to side C squared. So in this case, this side hapa penye kuna the 90 degrees hapo, so this side plus this side is equals to the longer side squared. This side squared plus this side squared is equals to the longer side squared. So in let's do an example ndo tuelewe. For example, this triangle, the right angle triangle, if this one is 3, this one is 4, to find this side, you will say 3 squared plus 4 squared is equals to this side c squared. Sawa? So 3 squared plus 4 squared, 3 squared ni ngapi? 9 plus 4 squared ni 16, si ndio? Is equals to 9 plus 16 ni ngapi? 25. Uko sure? So is equals to 25, si ndio? So to find C ni 25. To find C, you'll find 25, the square root of 25, which is 5. So hapa C is equals to 5. So for instance, if you want to get, wacha tufanye example ingine. We apply the Pythagoras theorem. Sasa tuko na hapa, let's say hapa tupate, let's just do a complicated one, 10. Then this side we have 6. So it's a squared plus b squared is equals to c squared. So a hatuna, say a tuseme iko hapo. A hatuna, so a squared is equals to b squared ni 6. So 6 squared is equals to c squared ni 10 squared. So 10 squared. Sawa. So hebu fanya a squared plus 6 squared ni ngapi? 36. Is equals to 10 squared ni ngapi? 100. Sindio? 100. So when we take this side, inakuwa a squared is equals to 100 minus 36. 100 minus 36, a squared is equals to 100 minus 36 ni ngapi? 64. So a is equals to, we find the square root, tukate hiyo, find the square root both sides. So square root ya 64 ni ngapi? 8. So the Pythagoras theorem is applied in any right-angled triangle to find either of the sides. So the Pythagoras theorem states that a squared plus b squared is equals to c squared. So with that all said, we want now to go to the most complicated part of mensuration, is area. It's not most complicated, but iko complicated kiasi, ndio. Finding the area. Number one, to find perimeter of all the shapes.